Hello, everyone. The first question that I'm going to deal with is coming from Mr. Mukesh Jagya from Surat. And he's asking, in the class you gave on how to conquer the fear of death, you spoke about our actual identity being the soul. Can you please tell us in more details what the soul is? Very good question, Mukesh. Matter by nature is inert, whereas our bodies, although made of matter, are conscious. Our bodies are alive. So, what causes these bodies made of matter conscious or alive? It is the presence of the soul. And when the soul leaves the body, then the body made of inert matter or dead matter becomes dead. Now, the soul is the source of consciousness. Say, for example, when we say I, although we tend to identify ourselves with the body, but actually we are speaking about the soul. For example, a baby's body, a small little body, with time grows, becomes a boy, a young man, and then eventually that same body in course of time becomes old. Now the body changed, but I am the same person. So what or who is that? That is that unchanging individual who doesn't change in spite of the change of the body. Today I am able to do so many things, thinking, feeling, willing, acting, because of the presence of the soul in this body. Like the dress is not me, the dress is only an external covering. Similarly, this body is the external covering of the soul. And the soul is the one that is functioning through this body. My hand is lifting, and accordingly, my cloth also is moving. So, who is making this cloth move? Me. Similarly, who is making this body function? Me. Now, who is that me? That me that is functioning through the body is the soul. And there are further definition of the soul. The soul is unborn. The soul is immortal. The soul is eternal. It is the body that dies. Soul doesn't die. The source of our wisdom, source of our knowledge is the Vedic literatures, Vedic scriptures. The essence of all the Vedic wisdom is Bhagavad Gita, which was spoken by Krishna himself. Bhagavad Gita is saying, just as when the dress becomes old, we change the dress, we put on a new dress. Similarly, when the body becomes old, we change the old body, we leave the old body and put on a new body. And that is called, in Sanskrit, that is called Janmantar or Dehantar, transmigration of the soul from one body to another. That's how the soul is continuously transforming from one body to another. So, this is how the information about the soul has been extensively given in the Bhagavad Gita. To give further, this Bhagavad Gita, as I mentioned, has described the soul is unborn, ajar, nitya, eternal, shashvata, ever existing. I am Purana. Na hannate hannamaneshwari. Even if the body is saying, the soul cannot. Just like the soul cannot be cut by any way. Soul cannot be burnt by fire. Soul cannot be drowned in water, and soul cannot be dried by air. So this is how the soul is totally unaffected by any material condition. So that is the nature of the soul. The body can be cut into pieces. The body can be burned by fire. The body can be drowned in water, but the soul cannot. The soul will remain ever existing, unchanging, eternal. So, once again, all these informations are there. I'm simply giving you this knowledge. I'm simply repeating all the information that I have acquired from these scriptures like Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, and other Vedic scriptures. Thank you all very much, and I will see you all again soon. Hare Krishna.